Phonetics and Phonology. Task 6. Tutorial video. Symbols and this is the sound, as in the words find, feel, or food. The f is a sound from the consonant pairs group, and it's called the voiceless labiodental fricative. This means that you create friction between the bottom lip and top teeth. This sound is made through the mouth and it's unvoiced, which means that you don't use your vocal cords to make the sound. It's defined by position of your lips and teeth, and it's a fricative, which is a sound that is produced by high pressure airflow between a narrow space in the mouth. In this case, it's between the bottom lip and the teeth. To produce the sound, rest your top teeth on your bottom lip and force air out between your teeth. The sound is normally spelled with the letter F, as in the words father and often, but can also be spelled with the letter PH, as in the word phonetic, or the letter GH, as in the words enough. Example of the sound. Here are some words that begin with the sound: fun, family, follow. Here are some words with the sound in the middle: before, different, office. And here are some words with this sound at the end: shelf, tough, staff. This is the t sound, as in the words thin, hot, or today. It's a sound from the consonant pairs group, and it's called the voiceless alveolar stop. This means that you stop the airflow with your tongue at the ridge behind your teeth. The t sound is made through the mouth and it's unvoiced, which means that you don't use your vocal cords to make the sound. It's defined by the motion of your tongue, and it's a stop sound, which is a sound made by building up air pressure by stopping airflow and then releasing it. In this case, you stop the airflow with the tongue against the area behind the top teeth. To produce the sound, block the airflow by placing the tip of your tongue behind the top teeth. Then release the pressure by pulling the tongue back into your mouth. The t sound is normally spelled with the letter T, as in the words tag, student, and perfect. Example of the t sound. Here are some words that begin with the t sound: tip, tie, and television. Here are some words with the t sound in the middle: start, study, and practice. And here are some words with the t sound at the end: consonant, light, and that. So that's it for the t sound. This is the g sound, as in the words goal, girl, and gone. The g sound is from the consonant pairs group and it's called the voiced velar stop. This means that you use the back of the tongue to block airflow from the throat. The g sound is made through the mouth and it's voiced, which means that you vibrate your vocal cords to make the sound. It's defined by position of your tongue and it's a stop the sound, which is a sound made by building up air pressure, by stopping airflow and then releasing it. In this case, you stop the airflow between the middle of the tongue and the top of the mouth. To produce the sound, push the tongue forward so the middle curves up and touches the top of your mouth and blocks airflow. At the same time, create some air pressure by gently trying to breathe out. The sound is made by voicing out and releasing the pressure by dropping the tongue down. The g sound is normally spelled with the letter G, as in the words good and got. However, can also be spelled with the letter X, as in the words exactly and example. Now, some example of the g sound. Here are some words that begin with the g sound. Get, goal, and guest. Here are some words with the g sound in the middle. Ago, organization, agree. And here are some words with the g sounds at the end. Back, track, and leg. So that's it for the g sound. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.